Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today and welcome to week 11 of the 12 weeks of Halloween. We're winding down and I promised last week that we would have some simple little treats that you could put together easily. And so this week we have this little miniature bag that is so easy to put together, and you can go as elaborate as you want on your tag or make it something super simple, and I'll show you an option. So I have some strips of basic black cardstock sliced as a filler, and then I just wrinkle it up. And in here I have like 3 little Jolly Rancher hard candies. So that would fit in there. Maybe a couple of those miniature little chocolate candy bars, the ones that come in the variety pack. So let me show you how we're going to put this together. I'm going to get my Simply Scored scoring tool, and I have a piece of designer paper. Now you could use cardstock here. You could use your Halloween, your Monster Bash designer series paper. I decided to go with this. It's the Regal's collection of the 6x6 designer series paper stack, and this is cut at 3x6, so I got 2 out of 1 6x6 piece of paper. And so I'm going to put the long side, the 6-inch side, up at the top, and I'm going to score at 1 3/4, 2 3/4, 4 1/2, and 5 1/2. Then I'm going to turn it with the short side at the top, and I'm going to make a 1-inch score. Now, if your paper had directionality, where you wanted the little characters or whatever right side up when you were finished with your bag, this 1-inch score needs to be what will be your bag bottom. Okay, so it doesn't matter on my gingham check, but if you have those little character prints, it would. Okay, so there we have all of our scores ready to go. So let's do some burnishing with a bone folder, and then we'll do some trimming. This is such a cute and easy little bag. And like I said, you could make quite a few of these. Cut all your 3x6 pieces and then do all of your scoring. And it would assemble really easily and quickly. And like I said, your embellishment can be as fancy or as simple as you like, okay? It's still super cute. Okay, so this 1-inch tab here, 1/2 inch tab, I'm going to take my paper snips and I'm going to cut up and cut that off. And this is the tab that's going to hold the whole little box together. And then I'm going to cut up on the other score lines up to that 1-inch score. Just really easy. Okay, I think I missed that by a tad, so I'm going to trim that out. Okay, so now I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive right here on this tab. You could use snail if your candy's not going to be too heavy, or tearing tape. And I'm going to hold that there for just a second, and then we're going to put the bottom together. Okay, so here we go. There's our seam, so that's the back of the bag. Okay, so I'm going to fold the back tab in first, and then the front tab will be here. Put some more adhesive and let it stick. And hold it just a second, and you can just press down on it with your bone folder or a pencil, something to keep it steady. All right, so now the bag is ready, okay? Now, I have a box of tags that I've already stamped and die cut, okay? So they're all in here pieces. I do a lot at one time so that when I get to this stage of the game, I have some tags ready to go in case I need some more treats. And these are created with the tags bundle, okay? So you do 3 tags at one time and then cut it out with 1 die. And so I have this one here that I have colored with my Stampin' blends in Pumpkin Pie and Daffodil Delight. And then I have a little bit of Wink of Stella brushed across the Halloween to give it a little sparkle. And I have one of our Monster Bash enamel shapes there in the center that covers the little hole. So when I did this, I decided I wanted a little more backing to that to make this stand out from the rest of the bag. So I got some basic black cardstock and a 1 1/2 inch circle punch. Punch that out. And then what I did is just put a little adhesive on the back of this. That's our liquid adhesive, and I cut too close to the other punch out there. So let me do another one. And just mount it over top. And you see how that makes that stand out a little bit more from that pumpkin pie background. So I'll go ahead and apply the adhesive, and then it's done. All you need to do is put your candy in. If you want to put some filler, then it's good to go. But if you didn't want to go through the die cutting and the coloring and everything, I have an alternative for you. I have this little Boo to You set. And if you had any set that had a Halloween sentiment in it, you could find a punch that would work and go with that. So I've got this Boo to You mounted here, and I'm just going to stamp it easily in Memento black ink. And then I'm going to take a 1 inch circle punch and punch that out. And experiment with layering your punches. You'll be surprised what you can put one behind the other and make it really cute. All right, so now I'm going to punch out a 1 1/8 inch scallop circle punch. And then I'll glue that to this. Simple and quick. And then I'm going to take the 1 3/8 scallop circle and put that on the back. Just like that. And I could add some gems or some of those enamel shapes, and that could go on your bag just like that and be just as cute. Put some filler in with your candy, and it's ready to go. Okay? All right, there's our week 11 project. I'll be back next week for week 12 with one more project for you. I hope you're enjoying these. Give it a try and let me know how you like it, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.